Hello, you're waiting for food? Hello. I'm here getting some cabbage with carrots and trying to figure out what are some other things. Still didn't figure out what that is. It's like a squash, but it's not. And this is, he said, jackfruit, but you have to cook it. It's like a baby jackfruit. This is so strange. So what? Oh, so you cook this? You cook this? You can't eat it raw? No. No. This is interesting. I was asking so many questions that he asked me if I know what garlic is. Doing some laundry. When I travel, any kind of shampoo is a universal soap for me. So basically, I wash my hands with it, I take a shower, and of course I use it as a shampoo. But I also do the laundry. I kind of put quite a bit. And if I don't rinse well, I mean, it's not bad. It's a shampoo. Oh, and also occasionally I wash dishes with it. That's what's happening this time. And in India, I'm looking for this specific one, anti-hair fall, because it smells good, better than other types of Himalaya shampoos. It's clean and it smells good, and all that matters, right? Another morning in Varanasi. Got my fresh squeezed pomegranate juice. More people are shaving in the morning with the street shavers. I saw a guy gave him 50 rupees, so it's probably the cost of a shaving. 50 rupees, no, they even give him change, so it's less than 50 rupees, so it means about 50 cents. And boy sat down. What is he gonna do with the boy? He has nothing to shave off. Yeah, a haircut. So maybe just trimming. Seems like he's just gonna do a hair trim. Okay, so it's a shaver and a barber. Nice. So convenient. I can't eat here anywhere. Oh, everything is so fried, deep fried. Oh, what is that? That's not deep fried, is it? No. Is this eggs? No, it's not eggs. Oh, yeah, I haven't seen eggs anywhere here. Yes, but it's North Indian. South Indian is different. Yes. South Indian here. Yeah. Yes, I was on the south side, and they have omelets and eggs, and yeah, it's a little different. Yeah, I can't eat much here. Looks kind of good, smells good, but it's so heavy for the stomach. And I don't really like coconuts, but this is just water. Is it water and meat?
Only water.
Yes, it's only for water. I like the meat, but when it's like a jello, more Indian crepes. Also a lot of oil. Okay, it's good to see you. I came yesterday looking for you. I didn't find you. Were you there yesterday? Yes. No? You're there? Who are you selling candles? Oh, your home is right here. Who are you gonna sell the, or you gonna make it? You're making candles too? Yeah. Is it your brother? No? Trying to feed the puppy. And where is Mama? Do you see Mama? Back and forth. Oh, here he is. I wonder sometimes how he didn't get run over. That's okay. Yeah. The kids are helping me to get the puppy. Oh, that's okay. Leaving Varanasi and trying to squeeze by at the train station. Okay, that's better. What was that? I am finally at my first class cabin right now, and this is the package of essentials what I got. A pillowcase and sheets and a towel. This is awesome. Northern Railway. Wish you a happy journey. I hope I'm going the right direction. I tried to take a nap, but I couldn't, so I'll just enjoy the view. And I'll try not to lose my flip-flops. We stopped somewhere, but I do not want to step off the train. Nice peacock design. And there's actually a shower. Wow, I did not expect a shower in the train. Oh, different cart has different design. It's not peacock anymore. And what is this space? Like a, hello. Like a laundry, blankets. Nice, yeah. Any like luggage too? No luggage. Just yeah, the sheets, clean sheets are here, and extra blankets. It feels like a lot of people are staring at me. Okay, we're moving again. I can't believe this. There is a picture with a lot of snow. They do have some snow in the mountains in India, but this is like a lot. This doesn't even look like India. Most people in India haven't seen snow. This is like something magical to them, so that's maybe why they put pictures up like this. The guy is selling biryani rice. I am beginning to like porter services. Well, that was fun. 5.5 hour train ride. I assume this is a postal service. I better catch up with my porter. Oh wow, it changes colors. That's a nice rail station. I'm taking a walk and past this guy. Is he sleeping? I hope he's okay. That's a weird position to sleep in. Yeah. Should I get some sugarcane juice? Oh, with mint. Wow. I didn't know they had mint in sugarcane. I think I forgot to say that I am in the city of Lucknow in India.